If you want to create this really cool effect with your images, here's how to do them in 3 simple steps. Let's dive in. The first step is to sign in to clipdrop.co and create a free account for yourself. Once you're signed in to Clipdrop, scroll all the way down from their homepage to find the Relight feature. They also have many other cool features in their website, but the one we are looking for is the Relight. Once you're in Relight, drop the image that you want to make changes to. Make sure the image has a proper foreground and a background that can easily be identified by the AI and can help you with the lighting. Once you establish this, third step is doing the lighting magic. Now you can make many adjustments to these images, from the images adjustments to the lighting. You can add as many lights as you want, or even reduce them and mess around with the ambient lighting, or even remove the background. It's as simple as that. If you found this useful, do leave a thumbs up and follow me for more tips as such. See you in the next one.